All right, so this is how you upload. I'm gonna show you really quick. All right, so you basically go to deposits, and then once you hit deposit, you can go ahead to deposit type. I hit Bitcoin, and then you're gonna notice right here, I have certain wallets. I'm just gonna deposit $290 into my wallet. So I'm gonna go to payment, and then I'm using Cash App. So basically you go to Cash App, right? And then you put money, you buy Bitcoin through Cash App. And then once you have all this up and running, go ahead and click on this scan QR code. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that really quick. And then boom. So now you just type in the amount. I usually do $5 less because there's like fees and everything. And then let's go ahead and hit next and then confirm send. Boom. So now I got $2 in my account. And then once you go back to basically the deposits page, right? So I'm going to go back to Osprey FX. You'll see basically a pending, right? So 290 is pending. And then once it turns green, you're going to notice that, see all these right here. I canceled these out because basically I messed up on my recording. But this one should turn green within about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so right here you can see that I was approved for $289.96. So basically there was some sort of fee. But now this is how you transfer your money to your trading account. So really simple, you go from deposits to transfers, and then go ahead and transfer type. So I'm going to go from my wallet to trading platform, which is TradeLocker. All right, so let's go and hit that. I'm going to go ahead and select my USD wallet, and then I'm going to select this account that has 27 cents in it, and then I'm just going to click on max transfer. So once I hit transfer, it should say it'll confirm and say it'll take about 2 minutes or whatever. But as you can tell, I have 27 cents right here, right? So now if I actually refresh my page, it should reflect the actual deposit. Oh, not yet. 1 second. Let's boom, $290. So now I am ready to get trading, and that's all I got. Hopefully this helped.